Okay, thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Again, now, bache, we are going to see that how we are going to apply the formula. Okay, how we are going to apply the formula, we have to see. Now we have to find out the arc AXB. Like I was telling you that if I am going to find out arc AXB, now you will have to tell me that arc length AXB is equal to, what should I write?
Sir, it is 82 over 360.
82 over
Pi
360
2 pi 8.
2 pi r. What is the radius? 8. The radius is 8. Now how to apply the formula? I was telling you that length of this arc mean only this line. If I am talking about the length of arc, it mean only this curved line. In the length of arc, it is very important to understand. Please class, listen to me carefully. It is very important to understand that if examiner is asking you to find out the length of arc, then only this curved line is included. In that, these two straight lines which are the radius of the circle, these will not be included. I am telling you that if he is asking you that find out AXB, so this is only this curved line. Okay? If he is asking you to find out AXB, this is only arc. AXB is the length of the arc. So angle, this angle against this length of arc, angle against the arc, you will have to see the angle against the arc which is required to be found. Angle against the arc, against this arc AXB, the angle is 82. We are not going to take the angle behind this arc. We have to see the angle against this arc. So it is 82 degree over 360 into 2 pi r. R is the radius of the circle, which is 8 centimeter. And you know, for a single circle, the radius throughout the circle remains the same. Okay? So, after calculation, just apply the value 82 360 into 2 into pi value 3.142 and the radius is 8. How much? 11.5? 11.45 centimeters. So this is the length of arc. We have to find out the arc AXB. You was asking me, no? Okay, like this examiner gives you. That if you are going to find out arc AXB. Yes?
Minus subtract 360 from 46.
Yeah.
Subtract 46 from 46.
Now here you can see the angle is given for this portion of the sector. We have to find out the arc AXB. I told you that, yes. Okay, very good, bacha. So I told you that angle against the required arc must be written. So here we have to 360 minus 46, how much? 314. 314 degree. So this angle will be taken to find out the arc length AXB. Okay, clear? So arc length AXB arc length is equal to 314 over 360 and the radius is 9.8. I am directly applying the value of the radius 2 into value of pi 3.142 and the radius is 9.8 after calculating 53.7 centimeter. So this is the arc length. What I am telling you, it is very important to understand okay, when I am finding out the arc length, so only this curved line is calculated. Only this curved line is calculated. I am not going to calculate these two. Now if he is asking you to find out the perimeter of this sector, perimeter of the major sector, he asked you, examiner asked you that find out the perimeter of the major sector. What? The length of the boundary, outer boundary of the shape. If I am talking about this major sector, so as far arc AXB is concerned, we have just found out this curved line. But the outer boundary of this shape is also consisting of these two radius. Okay? This is also making the part of this blue area. You will have to see this blue area, that what line are the boundary lines of this blue area. Not only this curved line, but these two radii are also the part of this blue area. So you will have to write that, first of all, you will have to find out the arc length, which is 53.7 plus 9.8 plus 9.8, mean 2 times of radius. Getting this? Perimeter का मतलब समझ आया या नहीं? Perimeter mean outer boundary of the shape, because this outer boundary, these blue lines around this blue shape. Okay, so all the lines, you will have to see all the lines. It is very important, because normally students get confused while finding out the perimeter. If I have a rectangle, this rectangle has 8, 4, 8, 4. How to find out the perimeter of the rectangle? Sum of all sides, na? So what are the sides of this sector? This sector has the sides. One is the arc, this side and this side. You will have to sum of all the sides to find out the perimeter. So here the sides of this are this arc length plus this and plus this. Whatever the outer boundary of the shape, you will have to add up all those boundaries. So here this boundary is the arc length, and then plus this radius and this radius. So this completely, how much is this? 73.3 centimeter will be the perimeter of this shape. Is that clear? Hope you have